Introduction. Welcome back to King Bike. Today, we're talking about the incredible Kawasaki Ninja H2R, one of the fastest and most powerful motorcycles ever built. This track-only superbike is famous for its extreme performance, advanced technology, and futuristic design. Design and styling. The Kawasaki Ninja H2R features an aggressive aerodynamic design with carbon fiber bodywork and winglets that help improve stability at high speeds. Its sharp lines and premium finish make it stand out as a true engineering masterpiece. Engine and performance. Powering the Ninja H2R is a 998 cubic centimeter supercharged inline-4 engine that produces over 300 horsepower. This incredible power allows the bike to achieve breathtaking acceleration and top speeds, making it one of the most powerful production motorcycles in the world. Technology and features. The H2R comes equipped with advanced electronics, including traction control, launch control, quick shifter, and multiple riding modes. These technologies help riders manage the bike's massive power safely and effectively on the racetrack. Handling and braking. Built with a lightweight trellis frame and high-performance suspension, the Ninja H2R offers excellent stability and precise handling. Powerful Brembo brakes provide strong stopping performance, even during high-speed riding. Conclusion. The Kawasaki Ninja H2R is a symbol of speed, innovation, and engineering excellence. With its supercharged engine, cutting-edge technology, and stunning design, it remains one of the most legendary motorcycles ever created. Thanks for watching King Bike. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing bike content.